congratulations. Well, to be really honest, no, parang hindi ko masyadong ina-expect na papasukin mo rin talaga yung showbiz. Although you came from showbiz royalty na. Dumating ka ba sa point na nagdalawang isip ka? At kung nagdalawang isip ka, ano yung ano yung nagiging hindrance dati para pasukin?
No, I don't think there was a point where I would second guess myself really, because if I want to do something and I really believe that I can achieve it, I do it wholeheartedly and I work hard at it to the best of my abilities. So, no second guessing for me.
Aware ka ba na yung dati mo, kumaga yung journey niya as an actor, hindi ganun ka dali din?
Yes, so I understand also that being an actor, it's a process. You have to audition. Mag-audition din ako soon. So I understand that you have to do that bilang isang artista, di ba? So,
kung nagkaroon siya ng second chance before, anong pinakapayo niya sa'yo?
Sorry?
Ano yung advice niya sa'yo now that you entered showbiz?
My dad just told me, like I said a while ago, enjoy it, enjoy the process. Have fun, be nice to everyone, always keep a level head, and humility is the best ability.
Andre, anong gusto mo sa isang babae kung ikaw ang pamilya? And I hope you don't mind, nagkaroon ka na ba ng relationship and how long it lasted?
I have actually never had a girlfriend in my whole life. I never had a girlfriend. Of course, I've tried to date. I've went on a few dates in my life, but ended up going into the relationship level. It never really reached there. Yeah. Diba?
Ang siguro na standard mo, ano bang hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Really, it's just someone that I can enjoy spending time with. Someone that can make me laugh, really. And also, another important thing is a girl that is very God-fearing and puts God first in her life is a big factor for me, because that just shows me, the fundamentals of how it is to be a person. It's intact.
May angulo ka kinusulit.
Bigyan na ng mga tanong ni Rose.
Okay, thank you, Andre.
Thank you.